In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch to Classic View in QuickBooks Online Reports. If you prefer the familiar look and layout of older reports, or you just want a simpler view while you work, this quick walkthrough will get you there in seconds. Start by signing in to your QuickBooks Online company as you normally would. Once you're in, look over to the left side of your screen. You'll see the main navigation panel. Find Reports and click it. If your sidebar is minimized, hover near the left edge or select the menu icon to expand it so you can see the Reports option clearly. When the Reports page opens, choose any report you want to work with. This can be one of your go-to reports, like profit and loss or balance sheet, or any other report you need right now. The key is simply to open a report so you can access the view options at the top. With the report open, look toward the top area of the page. You should see a small hyperlink that says Switch to Classic View. It's typically located near the report title or in the top toolbar where other report controls and filters appear. The link can be easy to miss because it's not a big button, so take a second to scan the top bar. If the report is still loading, give it a moment for all the options to appear. Now, click Switch to Classic View. The report will refresh, and you'll be in the classic layout. You'll notice the interface looks more like the earlier QuickBooks Online report style, which many people find faster to navigate. Key elements such as date ranges, grouping, and filter options are still available. They're just arranged in a way that may feel more streamlined for your workflow. If you don't see the link, a few things could be going on. You might already be in the classic view, the report type might not offer the toggle, or your window might be too narrow for all options to show. Maximizing your browser window or reducing zoom can help the link appear without changing the actual steps. Also, QuickBooks occasionally updates interfaces, so the link's position might shift slightly, but it will still appear near the top controls of the report. That's all there is to it. Open Reports on the left. Open any report, find the Switch to Classic View link at the top, and click it. You're done. If you ever want to return to the newer layout, look for a similar link that takes you back. Thanks for watching, and enjoy working in the view that suits you best.